Hello. So, starting today, July 14, nag-order ako ng ready-mix meals from Smart Meals. So, nahanap ko sila sa Instagram. So, I subscribed for 5 days. Kasi tatamad na ako magluto. At para hindi ako matitempt na umorder sa labas. Kasi ito nagluluto ako, I tend to order a lot of stuff. So, ito ang laman niya. Let's check. Anong laman? Yan. So, I think this one is for breakfast. Hashed sausage and egg sandwich. Then, this one's for lunch. Baked herb chicken. And then, ito, spaghetti for dinner. Pinoy spaghetti. Medyo marami naman. So, hindi ako magutom bukas. And then, I have a snack. Chocolate cream cookies. So, may nakalagay, Eat Smart. So, I'll be eating this for 5 days. Pag magustuhan ko, mag-subscribe ako ulit next week until August. Para umayat-payat naman ako, hindi puro anli lang. Excited na ako. Parang sarap yung breakfast. Palagi akong boiled egg. This is new. For the last 4 weeks, boiled egg ako. Hello! So, today's the second day for my smart meal. So, dito merong yan. Included yung homemade longganisa for breakfast, pork steak Tagalog for lunch, garden salad for dinner, at saka may chocolate chip cookie ulit for snack. So excited. So ito, merong salad, lunch, breakfast. So 2 meals na may rice. So ito, I have breakfast homemade longganisa. Excited na akong kumain ito. Then lunch, pork steak Tagalog, and then dinner, garden salad. First time kong hindi mag-rice for tomorrow. Then syempre, as always, mayroong chocolate chip cookie and coffee stick. Kasi ko, parang sarili nila may nakalagay Smart Meals. Yan o, Smart Meals. Right, so dinner na po. So ito yung first dinner ko from Smart Meals. It's spaghetti. Ang sarap naman siya. Yung sauce niya pala, hindi siya yung usual na red sauce lang. So medyo kailangan durugin ko. Parang namuo kasi yung meat sauce. Masarap siya. Hindi siya yung commercial lang na show yung nabibili sa labas. Kain pa tayo. Sarap. Piling ko nakakabusog nga siya kasi buo yung yung meatballs. So ito, buo siya. Sulit. Tsaka nakakabusog. Hello. So for my third day, tomorrow Thursday, ito yung food. Dumating kanina. So mga around 5 PM siya dumarating. So far, wala pa naman akong hindi nagustuhan sa mga na-order ko. Nice. Parang gusto ko to for tomorrow. Parang masarap lahat. Ito. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. So, ganito. Merong Hong Kong style fried noodles for breakfast. Merong shrimp. Marami. Beef caldereta. Dinner is fish fillet. Fish fillet with tausi. And then, merong snack na lemon bar. Paragi siyang may kasama nito. Yung first, chocolate crinkle, kanya chocolate chip. Ngayon, lemon bar na siya. Nice. May kasama siyang tea. At saka Estiva na hindi ko naman nagagamit. So, for tonight, dinner is ito. It's a salad. Oh. Very secured yung food. Ito. It's organic salad. Dito pa yung dressing sa loob. Initin ko lang siya siguro mga 15 seconds. Then kakainin na. Tsaka, na-notice ko, pumapayat na ako. Bilis kong pumayat. Mga 2-3. I'm on my second day pa lang. I-feel ko agad yung lack of calories. Kasi, usually marami akong kumain. Like last week, nakadalawang mga inasal ako. Pero this week, very controlled yung kain ko. Kasi nga, nagbayad ako. For 5 days, sayang naman if kakain ako sa labas. At siya, so ito po yung dinner ko for the third day. Tausi, tofu, and rice. And then, yung for tomorrow, hindi pa siya dumating. Yung food kasi maulan, so delayed. Sana an hour from now or later, dumating na. Sa wakas, dumating na rin yung meal ko. Yung food ko for tomorrow. So, today's Thursday. And medyo maulan kasi, kaya, ayun, delayed yung delivery. Kanina, kumain na ako. Masarap naman siya, yung tofu, fish na may tofu and tausi. I'm so excited for tomorrow's food. So, ito na. Yung kahapon pala natapon ko ata yung tea na free. Hindi ko nakuha. Hindi ko siya nainom kanina. Yan. So, ito na nga. For breakfast, I have ham and cheese sandwich. And then, for lunch, merong beef gyudon. Parang iba yung rice na ginamit for beef gyudon. And then, chicken teriyaki for dinner. Protein. Then may snack na kasama, cinnamon sugar cookie with coffee stick. Ito, coffee. Hello, so it's Friday na and late ko na nakuha yung food ko. So this is my last subscription for the week. Yung subscription ko is from Tuesday to Saturday kasi yun, may tira pa akong ulam last week. So, umabot pa siya ng Monday. So, for my last subscription, I have Chadan! Yay, may pasta. So, for breakfast, I have beef keema wrap. Then, for lunch, peri chicken. Then for dinner is ali olio and calamari. First time ko na may squid yung ali olio. Usually sa bahay, yung nalagay ko is shrimp. And then hindi nawawala yung snack for ito ngayon is it's a cheese bar. Then may coffee stick. Dalawa na yung naipon ko. Kasi hindi ko inom yung kanina. So yun. So, that's a wrap for my weekly subscription. First week subscription ko from Smart Meals. Kanina, nag-order na ako for next week. Nag-try naman ako na yung 1,500 calories, yung pinakamababa. Ay kasi minsan dinadagdagan ko na lang ng protein or other snacks para lang ma-reach ko yung mga 2,100 calories per day. So yun nga, nagka-calorie count na ako. I-feel ko naman yung effect niya. Feeling ko pumapayat na ako. Effective. Bye. Hello. So, just for a recap, last week, nag-subscribe ako sa weekly plan wherein they deliver daily for my food. For, like, for example, nag-subscribe ako for 5 days. So, for update, so, ano ba yung pros and cons kung nag-subscribe ako? So, start tayo with the pros. Definitely, it's a time saver. So, dati, I have to plan my meals. I have to think like, after work, kailangan ko pa isipin kung ano yung kakainin ko for dinner. Or kahit during work, during lunchtime, isipin ko kung may food pa ba sa canteen, kung masarap or masarap man, may mga natira ba. And then, after noon, ma-attempt pa akong bumili sa labas, mag-order, check ko SM Malls app or Bookie. So, very, maliban sa hindi siya healthy, time-consuming siya kasi maghanap-hanap ako or bisan magluluto ako. It's also, hindi siya tipid. Although naman, sa part naman ng subscription, it's around 2K. 2K for 5 days na. So, that includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then meron pang snack. So, they always provide yung snack na cookie or minsan lemon bar. Then, may kasama siyang tea or coffee stick. Siguro, another pro for me is kasi mas healthy na yung kinakain mo. Uncontrolled yung portion. Unlike sa if ako yung magluto, hindi ako nakasubscribe. Kailangan pang isipin like lunchtime sa office. Kailangan pang isipin kung meron ba mga natira sa pantry or kailangan ko bang lumabas. Yung daming sa Mega Mall, maraming kainan. Hindi ko alam kung saan kakain. Eventually, mas napapamahal ako. So, yun, third pro is actually nakakatipid ako. Nakakatipid ako when subscribe to Smart Meals or to a weekly plan. So, yun, nakatatlo na tayo. So, yung first pro is time saver. Second is healthy. Hindi siya commercial or hindi siya fast food na pagkain. Third is nakakatipid ako. At least kahit papaano. And then, yun. So, puro pros. Ano ba yung cons? I think merong isa. Okay. So, cons. Not sure if it's cons, pero yung downside lang is since it's packed for every meal, so marami na akong naipon ng ganito. Yan. So, this is for my 1 week subscription. Medyo ang dami na niya, plastic. So, hindi ko siya tinatapon kasi pag ganito kasi pag may example, nag-order ako outside, always kong tinatago, hinugasan, baka magamit ko or naghahanap pa ako online kung paano siya better na i-dispose. Kasi nasasayang ako pag ganito na itatapon lang. Help the environment man. So, that's it. Actually, nag-subscribe na ako ulit for next week. So, thank you for watching. Sana may natutunan kayo or nakuhang pakinabang.